Hello. It's been a while since I made an update on OstrichDB. I've been very busy. Got a lot of good things going on in life. So the development of OstrichDB by me and updates of it are going to slow down a fair amount. But I've been putting a little bit of work in the last 2 days. So for those who have seen my videos previously, you might notice something different. I am on Mac OS. I don't know what version this is. I like Sequoia or something. I don't know. So that's why I'm making this update. Previously, OstrichDB was developed on Ubuntu, so Linux, and the idea was it would only work on Linux because that's all I was thinking about. But I got this Mac for work computer slash development machine, so I was like, well, let's pull down OstrichDB and see how it works on here. It didn't work. Now, in addition to that, I also updated the or installed the latest version of Odin, the Odin language, and with those two things combined, OstrichDB was fucked. It was not working whatsoever. The moment you start it, a bunch of errors would come up. So it seems like, and this is odd because these errors should have been caught while on Linux. A lot of them should have, not in Odin itself, but in my program, OstrichDB. A lot of these errors should have been caught. Some of them are just not making sense. I'd look through my code and I'm like, wait, this doesn't make any sense. For example, a procedure might be returning uh, or expecting a certain like type of a string or whatever, but I'd give it a boolean and I'm comparing them, and then it would be fine. But on Mac and with the latest version of Odin, it was like, hey, fuck no, dude, this is messed up. So anyway, that happened a lot. I don't know how many little bugs I've just fixed last couple days. So for anybody who's watching this, and if you're operating on Linux, if you wouldn't mind pulling down the branch that says like 03.2 or something, patch 03.2 or something, and let me know if OstrichDB is working well on Mac now. There are still other issues I need to fix, but you should be able to get it started and do your basic CRUD operations with OstrichDB on both Mac and Linux now, with this on that particular branch. So again, branch 003.2. You'll see it on the GitHub. But yeah, so I'm working on that. It's been a pain learning Mac in general and like keyboard shortcuts and all that stuff, and trying to make sure OstrichDB works on two different architectures is pretty. This is my first time doing this. I haven't had to worry about it as a like on my own project. So this has been interesting. Um, but that's really it. I don't have any intentions or any ideas for version 0.4 yet because I have other stuff going on. I want to do it, so I have the intentions, but what I want to accomplish for it, I have no clue. So it's not. I'm just fixing this up so it's usable on at least Mac OS and Linux. And version 0.4 will be, who knows, maybe towards the end of the year because I have a lot of other things going on. So um, I guess that's really it. I appreciate y'all watching this video. If you are new to the channel and curious about OstrichDB or the Odin programming language, check out my repo. Just Google OstrichDB and it'll pop up. And also check out the Odin programming language. It's pretty cool. All right, that's it. Peace.